of electrical energy. This question says, if the charge of electricity in kilowatt hour is 4 naira, what is the cost of operating an electrical appliance rated 250 volts, 2 amps for 6 hours? So we are going to calculate the cost of running an electrical appliance that have these ratings for 6 hours. So now we write out our parameter. The first one is the charge, sorry. The charge is 4 naira. 4 naira per kilowatt hour. So that means for every kilowatt hour of energy consumed, they charge what? 4 naira. And then we have our voltage. We have our voltage to be 250 volts. Then we have our current to be 2 amps. And then we have our time, T, to be 6 hours or 6 hours. So we have to calculate the cost of running an appliance having these ratings for 6 hours. So the first thing we're going to write out is the formula for calculating electrical energy. Electrical energy, W, is calculated as what? Power times time. Calculated as power times time. And then we also know that power is what? Current times voltage, then times time. I don't know if you are following. Power on its own is what? It can also be given as current times voltage. And already there is already time here, then times time. So in physics, you have to learn to derive formulas that suit the parameters you are given in a equation. That is how engineering works in real applications. You understand? You'll be given a real life scenario. We want this design this way. We want this. What do we have? This is what we have. This is what we have. You do your calculations, do your every, and then know what to do. Okay, so we proceed. So we are going to substitute. Our current is 2 times our voltage is 250. And then our time is what? 6 hours. So if you do this times that will give you 3,000. 2 times 250 is 500 times that's 3,000 watts hour. Watts here represent power. Then hour here represent time. Power times time. So that's how we get the unit for electrical energy is watts hour. However, the unit for calculating electrical energy is usually given in kilowatt hour. That is, this kilo here is a prefix. Kilo K means 10 raised to power of 3. So if you want to convert 3,000 watt hour to kilowatt hour, you have to divide it by 1,000. So that will now give us 3 kilowatt hour. So the total energy consumption of this appliance is what? 3 kilowatt hour. So however, the power providers or the energy providers charge what? 4 naira per kilowatt hour. So if you use up to 3 kilowatt hour, what will be the cost? The cost will be, if they are charging you 4 naira per kilowatt hour, and then what you are consuming is 3 kilowatt hour, that will be 4 naira per kilowatt hour times 3 kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour will cancel kilowatt hour. 4 times 3 is 12. So that will be 12 naira. So the cost of running this appliance with these ratings for 6 hours is what? 12 naira. Thank you.